Welcome to my channel. My name is Raan and I'm here to give you my latest haul from a company named Human Nature, and I will put their link below in the description box so you can check it out. Okay, so some of the products here that I will present, I used it previously, some of it are just new. Okay, so let's start with the balancing facial wash. Okay, here it's 50 ml, it has beads on it, it's 79.75. Okay, I used to use this product 1 month ago, but I ran out of it, so I used another product, but unfortunately it costs blackheads. Okay, or still there, yeah. Okay, and then the next one is the deodorant. Okay, roll on deodorant in the scent of aloe vera. Okay, it's roll on here. Yeah, and it smells like aloe vera. It's 84.75. And the next one, okay, is the Human Nature Feminine Wash in Chamomile Cool. This is a new variant. I used to have this product, but different variant, the Chamomile Fresh. I don't know, I don't remember. Okay, so its price is 62.75. Okay, so the next one is the, let's see, the purifying facial scrub. Okay, here, and it's 104.75. Okay, I love this facial scrub. Okay, and then the next, second to the last one is this shampoo in the Lush Vanilla. Okay, it's a moisturizing shampoo. It's 50 ml and it cost 44.75. And the last one is the conditioner, also Lush Vanilla, 50 ml and it's 49.75. All in all, my purchases are worth 426.50. Okay, so oh, I love the smell. It smells very good. I hope that it will last. The smell will last long on my hair. Okay. While the shampoo, anyway, these two are new variants. Okay, so that's why I want to try them. Okay, because I tried the other one. Okay, it was so, but this one I love the smell. Okay, so if you can see the consistency of that, very runny. Okay. But I love the smell. Oh, I love the smell. So good. Okay, can't wait to try it tomorrow. Yeah, it's night. Okay. And then the chamomile. It has a subtle fragrance that I can't quite place. Okay. And then this one smells like aloe vera. Yeah, it smells like it. And this one, I can't describe the smell, but I like this. Okay, and it has the small things there, so you can see these small beads. Okay, so and then this one, I'll show you this. It has strawberry seeds. It smells like strawberry. Yeah, that's something. Okay, so I'll post a review on each of the products. Maybe during this weekend. I don't know. Not sure, but I'll do a first impression review on these two tomorrow. Okay, then yeah, that's it. I'm very sleepy. It's night, and what time is it? It's 1 a.m. here in the Philippines. Okay, so I'll see you next time on my next video. Bye.